how AI would assist in terms of, say, maintenance, right?
Mhm.
Predictive maintenance, to be precise.
Yeah. So if you see, obviously AI can help in maintenance. We have seen in the past also in different industries, right? In factories, we have seen with the help of AI, people are predicting the life of the machines in their floor, production floor, right? So similar way, here if we see the most important part is the EV charger, right?
Yeah.
So where we are seeing it is used maybe 24/7. Some places it's very high utilization is there, right? So with the help of AI, because a lot of data is coming from the charger also,
Yeah.
because every charger is connected to the CMS. So we are getting any fault is there. Maybe if the critical parameters they are going out of the range, right? So based on that, AI can generate alerts to the charging infra operator saying, okay, this particular charger is going out of the range. Right?
Yeah.
It may break down any time.
Yeah.
So they can also AI can also generate alerts to the OEMs, the manufacturer of the charger. If the charger is under warranty, right? So it can initiate automatic maintenance calls also. It can give the alerts. So this helps in maintaining the utilization of the charger, maintaining the health of the charger, right, and make sure that there is no breakdown.